I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Facebook auto comment tool in nerDigital chatbot marketing. Using this tool, you can make your Messenger chatbot send an auto comment and automatic reply to the audience's Messenger inbox when they comment on something on your page post. To start, navigate to the menu. Click Tools. Then, go to the Facebook auto comment tool. Click Add Post. You can track comments on all posts or specific posts. In this tutorial, let's track comments on a specific post. Search a post using a post ID or the post's description. You can choose to reply to all comments. For now, let's choose all comments. Here, choose your private reply. It could be products, a flow, or a text response. We will use a flow for this tutorial. Then, add a public reply to comments on the post. Let's also add variations. Now, if you click on More Options, it will give you options to customize it a bit more. You can modify it based on your need. For this example, we will keep the options as is. Once you are done, please click Save. Now, let's test. Make sure you interact as yourself when testing. You should see the results like this. There you go, you just learned how to use the Facebook auto comment tool. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.